a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, security system, power windows, remote keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.